Hello and welcome to all. In this lecture, we want to discuss how to convert the given PDA into its equivalent CFG. Because in last lecture already we have covered how to convert the given CFG into its equivalent PDA. So here this diagram will show the relationship between PDA and CFG. PDA and CFG means we can convert the given PDA into its equivalent CFG, as well as we can convert the given CFG into its equivalent PDA or push down automata. So how to convert PDA to CFG? There are some rules or algorithms are there. Let PDA M, which is represented with the help of total. Here you can see with the help of total 7 tuple. Capital Q is finite non-empty set of states. Summation set of input alphabet. Tau stack symbol. Delta is the transition function, mapping function or next state function. Q0 is the current state. F is the final state, and Z0 is the initial stack symbol. And we want to convert it into its equivalent CFG. G is nothing but VTPS. V is set of variable. T are the set of terminals which are shown by the small letter or digits. P is nothing but set of production or equation which are required to design the grammar, to design the string with the help of given grammar, and S is nothing but the starting symbol. So algorithm for conversion of PDA to CFG. If Q0 is the start state of PDA, if Q0 is the start state of PDA and Qn is the final state of PDA, then its equivalent S. Okay, starting symbol grammar is nothing but S tends to Q0 Z Q1, Q0 Z Qn, where Z is nothing but the represent the stack symbol, and this become the starting state of the CFG. Now the production rule of the ID form. If the production rule in the given PDA is like this: delta Qi A Z0 will give Qi plus 1 Z1 comma Z2. Then its equivalent grammar will be obtained as Qi Z0 Qi plus 1 tends to A Qi Z1 Qm Qm Z2 Qi plus 1. This is a rule for this kind of production, where Qi and Qm are represent the intermediate state, Z0, Z1 and Z2 represent the stack symbol. And if the production rule is like this one is nothing, push operation production rule is there, then its equivalent CFG is like this. If pop operation production is there, okay, if we are performing pop operation, then Qi comma A comma Z0 Qi plus 1 next state comma epsilon, then its equivalent CFG is Qi. After that stack symbol Z0 Qi plus 1 and the current input symbol A. So like this we need to write down its equivalent CFG. We'll see all these rules with the help of one example. Here obtain the CFG for the given PDA, and here 6 productions rules PDA, 6 productions are given for PDA. That is nothing but 6 delta transitions are given. So here Q0 and Q1 are the state. Okay, 1 is the input alphabet, 0 is input alphabet, X, Z0 are the stack symbols. So for given PDA, M is equal to, so for given PDA, M is equal to Q0 comma Q1. These are the number of states. Input alphabets are nothing but 0 comma 1. These are the input alphabet. These are the states. Stack symbols. Okay, stack symbols are nothing but X, Z0. Here we can see X and Z0 are pushed onto top of the stack. Okay, so here all these are the stack symbol, and here we can see X and Z0 are the stack symbol. Q0 is the initial state, starting state of the PDA. Q1 is the final state, okay, which is given, and Z0 is nothing but the initial stack symbol. Now we want to write down its equivalent CFG. Then how to write down? So obtain CFG for the given PDA. First of all, we need to construct the production rule for start symbol S. Then how to construct it? We know that for start symbol S, it will be initial state. Initial state, as we know that Q0. Initial stack symbol is Z0, which is given here in this slide. You can see. Okay. So S tends to initial state is Q0. Initial stack symbol is Z0 to the final state. So Q0 Z Q0 to or what Q0 Z0 Q1 up to the final state we need to write down Q0 Z0 Q0 to Q0 Z0 Q1. This is the yes. Now consider the next production. So next production is given this one Q0 1 Z0 Q0 X Z0. So for that we are going to convert. So here I have considered we need to compare it with the second rule, and second rule is what? Qi A Z0 here we have considered the here we have written these three rules. Okay, we have to compare with this rule. Okay, then we're going to compare it with the second rule. So second rule is qi a z0 tends to qi plus z1 comma z2, and its equivalent will be like this. So here qi is what? Qi is q0. So qi is q0. Next is a is what? 1. So a is equal to 1. Z0 is Z0. Okay. Next qi plus 1 is also q0. So here we have written, and next z1 is nothing but x and z2 is nothing but z0. Okay, and its equivalent will be obtained with the help of this way. Okay, so we will go to this is first production rule for CFG. Now second one. So here it will be qi. Qi is what? q0. After that small a. Okay, sorry. After that z0. So z0 is what here? Z0 is z0, and after that qi plus 1. So qi plus 1 is also q0. So q0 z0 q0 tends to, here small a is there, and small a is nothing but here 1 is there. So small a is 1. So q0 x q0. Okay, up to x is z1. So q0 x z1 is x. Intermediate state, firstly we are going to consider intermediate state as q0, and nextly we are going to consider it as a q1, because there are only two states are there. So we have to change the intermediate state from q0 to q1. We have to change the state qi plus 1 from q0 to q1, like this. So next time 1 q0 x, and intermediate state we have changed q1. So intermediate state qm into z2 is also z0 and q0. Now we have changed qi plus 1 to qi plus 1 as a q1. So q0 z0 q1, it will be 1 q0 x q0 or q0 z0 q1. Now we are going to change the intermediate state, it will be q1 q1, and remaining will be same. This is for first production. Same way here z1 and z2 is xx. Okay, so here qi is q0, small a is again here 1. Okay, z0 is here now x. Now qi plus 1 is q0, z1 is x, z2 is x. Okay, then its equivalent fourth and fifth production is q0 x q0, because qi z0 qi plus 1. So qi is q0, z0 is x, and qi plus 1 is q0. So up to that, equivalent to 1 is nothing but a. Okay, into q0 x q0. So q0 firstly we are going to consider as an intermediate state. Up to the we need to write down qi plus 1, and qi plus 1 is here in this fourth production, it is q0. Or we have changed the intermediate state, instead of q0 it will become q1. Okay, now we have changed qi plus 1 to the q1, so it will be q1 and q1, and remaining will be same. So like this we need to write for all the production rule. Okay, for next production rule, and like this you need to write. Now if the production rule is this one, here it's a we need to compare it with third rule, because here pop operation is there. So according to the third rule, qi will be equal to q0. Okay, now epsilon is here a is nothing but epsilon, z0 is nothing but z0, and qi plus 1 is q0, and next epsilon is nothing but here epsilon is there. So that's why it will be equal to q0 z0 q0 tends to a is nothing but epsilon. We need to combine all these rules. Okay, we have to combine all these rules, and finally after combining all these rules, we have to this one is the CFG conversion for the given grammar. Let's stop here.